I was trying to get out here to get the eggs before the rain. We didn't make it. Went in my eyeball. Let's go fast. Let's get the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Any more? Don't see any in here. This tree is so massive. You can stand under it, and even though it's raining like that, if you can see, we are not getting wet at all, at least currently. So let's check the rest of this little run area and get inside. Don't see any over there. Is there any under here? There is no telling, so we will go with what we got. Is that funny? Yeah. Okay, come on, ready? Up. Here we go. We've been in a drought, so we're very grateful for this rain. Oh, it's locked. Ah, it's just rain. You think it's funny? We got our eggs. Oh no, the door's shut on the chickens. Gotta be able to let them in. This is a new coop for us, so we need to work out the kinks. Here we go. Oh my gosh. These are huge raindrops. Is that funny, Cisco? Yeah. Ah. Okay. We made it. There's the poor dog. He has shelter. He just doesn't love going in it. That is egg collecting in the rain. Say bye-bye.